Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Trading Technicals. I hope you had a very good day today because our positions, whatever we had discussed, everything worked well as the trade which we had on the Nifty in the last few minutes, I think last 2 hours, that worked out really well. Okay, so let's go back to the analysis of Nifty. And if you look at it, yesterday we had discussed about this rounding kind of bottom which is getting formed, also the candles which are getting smaller and smaller at this level, right? And we are seeing some kind of support which is coming in. We also had some kind of divergence on the Nifty chart. So all we had checked on the weekly chart, as I mentioned earlier, that generally after your red candle, generally you see a green candle. Okay, so this is just the start of the green candle. It is not yet completed, it might go down as well. Okay, but there is high probability that we can see Nifty again touching for 18,500, because this will be the range now, right? So this one will be the important part. Also, I had mentioned in the second half it would be very crucial today how Nifty closes, right? So if you look at it, Nifty now has taken support around this area. Okay, this one, the bulls have kind of taken out from this area, and now on a daily chart it has formed a bullish candle. Okay, now if you look at this bullish candle, it's still not 100% bullish, right? Because we still see some pressure on the top. Okay, but this pressure is actually wrong, because Nifty actually had closed almost at the day's high. However, adjusted close, this has come down, right? So this candle is actually powerful in that ways, because we are seeing the reversal from the below level. Okay, these were our levels which we had marked it exactly. It has taken the support multiple times, it has taken the support, it has closed around this area, and now it has taken the upside move, right? So now this zone was crossed today, and hopefully we can see further up move, which is around 388 level now, and then we can see 511 or 500 level. Okay, 500 will be psychological level. So this is the important thing if you are looking at in a Nifty trend. Now critical levels which we have to watch out is again 200 level and 18,100 level. Okay, these will be the two critical support areas, somewhere we'll have to watch out. Okay, and if you look at it in 1 hour chart, exactly Nifty came down. Okay, uh, in our morning trade also, if you would have seen, Nifty had gone up. Okay, Nifty had gone up, exactly hit our resistance area, then it came down, took a support at whatever support area we had mentioned here. Okay, exactly consolidated, and then it gave a breakout, right? So in 1 hour chart also this trend line which we had marked it, so this one also has been broken. So definitely whatever is this this movement which is there, which is 300 points ka move, exactly the same after this breakout we can expect 300 points ka move. Okay, so that would be our target, which is again 460, 470, 480. That level we can expect Nifty to go back as per this breakout target as well. So hence it is bullish as of now. However, we have to always keep it in mind. Markets are very volatile. Today VIX has come down. However, still markets would be volatile considering all the other parameters which we have. Crude oil and the bond yield and other things, and the global markets always have a different view. So we have to always keep it in mind that we have to play always with the stop loss and targets. Okay, and these, so hence we have to keep these stop losses somewhere, okay, in our mind and in our system, so that we don't lose out or don't carry the positions which are not going in our direction right now. Okay, so this is Nifty. Let's check it out on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, simple thing, we had marked two levels. Okay, these are the two critical levels which we have, and as I mentioned yesterday, that Nifty, Bank Nifty might start playing in this range only, okay, for some time. Now we have a decent results. This level is actually little extended right now because bank nifty is trying to play around this level. Now we have Axis Bank decent results, so we can expect, this area again could be broken again, but only above this level would be a buy, which is around 41,400. Okay, and our immediate targets would be 41,700. Okay, so these are the targets which we have to always keep it in mind. And always remember these levels which are there, which I have mentioned, these are the very critical two lines. Okay, this one will act as a support and resistance somewhere. Okay, though the bank nifty is reversing around this area only as of now, this is also a crucial level here. Okay, that is where bank nifty is reversing, and whatever overall thing which it is showing, it's on a buy on dips kind of scenario. Okay, only once this level is crossed, we would have a panic, and then we might see again 40,000 level which might come. Okay, so till that time I think we should buy, you should always look out for a buy and dips. Also there is a trend line support. If you look at it, this trend line, so max to max bank nifty can come down to 40,500, and then again it can bounce, but as of now it is all buy on dips kind of thing. And another one which I wanted to show you, if you look at Reliance. Okay, so Reliance has shown a very good recovery today, because we had lots of selling which has happened yesterday. Okay, and good recovery has happened, though results were decent, and we need to watch out for 2700 level. If that is crossed around this 2690, that level, once this is crossed, we can actually see a move till 3000 levels. So that is very very critical, that we have to watch out for, because it's already kind of given a breakout, then it has retraced. This is basically a retracement somewhere, and then I am expecting till that time this low, which is 2563, so 2550 is what we have to consider as a level. Till the time this level is intact, we would not sell on this stock. We can always accumulate this stock for a target of 3000. That is what we have to observe for the next this thing. Okay, I hope you would have made good money today, and hope these videos are helping you. If these videos are helping you, please do share with your friends, do hit that like button, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, have a nice day.